Whatever happened to keeping good relation? I could remember ages ago when our parents could take us to faraway places to visit friends and family. Today, in this day and age, you try that and people will think you have vested interest, you have an agenda. How can you just come from this far place just to greet me? I mean, today you make salam to a brother of yours, a stranger on the way that you feel he's a Muslim, and he looks at you twice like, why are you doing salam to me? Do you know me? When the Prophet ﷺ said that the nature of goodness is to antalik salam ala man arafta wa man lam ta'rif. You say salam to the one you know and the one you don't know. You try that today, people start asking questions. We're all slowly being an island. No connection to our family, no connection to friends. You can travel far or even near in the same state to visit someone you know. Except that there's an agenda, a worldly agenda you want to achieve with that. So I think we need to review that again. The Prophet ﷺ said later, wasul bil mukafi. In fact, keeping good relation is not that someone visits you or show kindness to you and you repay him with the same amount. No, it's not that. It's not like that. It's more than that. And I think one of the things we forget here is because we feel like we're here to achieve worldly goals. So when someone does or show a sign of kindness for the sake of Allah, people look at him strange. And also drastically shows that the end of the world is near, because the religion began strange and is going to go back to being strange. But the Prophet said, give glad tidings to those who are strangers. No wonder today when someone dies, he has no one to take care of his family, no one to look after his kids, no one to check on his wife, because everybody has been chasing the wall and has been isolated from reality in its very sense, reality. Because this world is just a passage. We're all travelers going to Akhirah. So which means we should do as much as we can to gather as much goodness as we can before you all die. So the Prophet ﷺ said, it's not the one who tried to keep a good relation by repaying what is done, but the one trying to cut you. They're trying to cut the relationship, but you keep trying to fix it, actively and passively trying to cut and sabotage a relation, but you're trying to keep it. And I'm not even talking about the guilt tripping stage. Even though we are past that, we call someone and try to guilt trip you that you have forgotten about him. Haramatni bida'iha wa sallat. He's guilty of that, but he's trying to throw it on you. We're even past that. Now we're at that stage where people don't really care whether you check up on them or not, whether you call or you meet them. And this keeping good relation is upon that which is on goodness, not for worldly benefit, but for the sake of Allah. Akhirah fi dunya idha anta lam tazur habiban wa lam yatrub ilayka habiban. There is no goodness in this world if you do not visit a beloved, and that beloved is happy to have you and see you. And if it's the world you want, well, good news. The Prophet ﷺ, the one who keeps good relation, Allah will prolong his life and give him plenty wealth. الَّذِينَ جَاهَدُوا فِينَا لَنَهْدِيَنَّهُمْ سُبُلَنَا. Imam Hassan al-Basri said, we have never seen someone who tried to achieve the world and got the Akhirah. But the one who tried to get the Akhirah, the hereafter, Allah gives him both. يَرْبَحْهُمَا جَمِيعًا. He gave both the world and the Akhirah.